Ayan guys, deliver na yung washer and dryer saka yung fridge namin. Inaalis na doon yung mga styro at boxes. Ayan. Ayan. May preparean. Ang gulo pa rin ng aming bahay. Alis na nila yun.
That's the color you picked out.
Oh, really?
Yes.
Inaalis pa pala yung mga nasa loob. Inaayos na lahat. Para ready na. Ayan. Less hassle sa amin. Wait na lang namin. Matapos sila. So big! They're delivering the washer so I can watch blanket. Wow. Will it fit there? Will it fit there?
Oh, it's gonna fit.
Oh. And then they're gonna bring the fridge. Ayan. For 3 days kaming walang fridge. Ayan guys, yung aming fridge. Ang laki. Yeah, but it's too big. Too high. Up our fridge, guys. Ayan. Fire appliances. It's a washer and dryer. Yeah, we got our fridge. Yeah, kinuha namin may ice maker kasi si Abby palaging may ice yung drinks niya. Kaya yan. Tapos may water din. Kaya okay na din para sa akin. Para hindi na uminom dun sa tap water. Yan guys. Marami pa kaming bibilhin.